14 Tough Shed. This tough shed has become my workshop, sewing room, and upholstery shop. Let's take a look inside. I really like the large double doors for expanding my workspace and bringing in lumber. Here I've added a decorative and functional awning. I have finished the inside walls with 2-inch foam board, 5/8 sheetrock, and 3/8 inch beadboard. Vinyl flooring is attached to the inside doors and side walls. I like these transom windows. They're both decorative and a great source of light. On the back wall, I have my shelving, tool organization, and my workbench. My bottom cabinets store my dust collection system and table saw. On the front wall, I have top and bottom storage and a built-in cabinet for spray paint. The ceiling is finished with beadboard and overhead lights. Well, I guess that's it. Thank you for visiting and looking at my tough shed.